Hey guys, Allan Builds here. One of the wheel studs stripped, so I'm gonna replace it. I'll show you the easy way. I'll already jack up the car and put the jack stand on. The next thing to do is to remove the 4 lug nuts. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. And the tire come right off. Here is the wheel stud strip. So this is the new one guys. New wheel studs and new lug nuts. Let's remove the caliper mounted bolt, but don't give us twist the brake line. And then the two mounted caliper bolts. Let's remove those. Let's remove the caliper, but be careful. Don't give us trace the brake line. I get the bungee cord. I'm using this to hang this up. That's the caliper bracket bolt. But let's remove first the brake pad. Here are two caliper bracket bolts to remove. That's one. Just break it loose. And that's two. Just put this caliper bracket out of the way. Let's remove the small fastener. Just tap the hammer and turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to remove this. That's come right off. The brake rotor off. That a strip wheel stud, guys. Yeah, the lug nut won't turn. This one's good. That's also good. And this is good. This is good as well. I'm using the angle grinder to cut this stud, guys. I'm grinding a little bit the splasher in the knuckle so the wheel studs will go through. Yeah, that's the old ones, guys. But this is a new one. New wheel studs and new lug nuts. I'm putting the new wheel stud on, guys. Just a little bit tap of hammer. Just like that. I put this spacer nut and then the lug nut. It's almost, guys. I think this is good enough. Let's put the brake rotor back on. I'm installing the caliper bracket back on. And then the 2 bolts on. I'm torquing this down 80 foot-pounds. That's one. That's two. Don't forget to put back the brake pad clip. It's necessary those brake pads stays in place. Yeah, that's the brake pad clip, guys. It's time to install the caliper back on. The next is two caliper mounted bolt. The toe bolt should torque down 25 foot-pounds. That's one. That's two. We put this tire back on, guys. We're close to being done. If you found this helpful, please share, like, and consider subscribing, and hit that bell notification so you are the first one to get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.